Hi, this is Amy Stevens, and I am here to share with you about a workshop that I have all about feet. So if you have been finding that there's some discomfort going on, maybe you're home without shoes on as frequently, or you're walking on a hard surface and you're establishing a lot more tenderness in through your calves or the soles of your feet or even your toes, I have been leading a workshop in person for well over a decade, and it is all about the feet. We get into our calves and we also really establish great circulation into the feet and the toes. So if that is of interest to you and you are looking to create more awareness in through your feet, I have had a lot of clients who have had arthritis in their feet and have found this workshop to be an amazing tool and a reminder. This is lifetime access, so it's up to you. If you are in need of some gentle support, this is a great opportunity for you to take advantage of this particular workshop. And the tools that we'll be using are a tennis ball, a golf ball. You can use a paper towel, or if you happen to have those foam pedicure dividers for your toes, you can use those as well. And just a couple of sheets of paper and a pen. So there's some really great opportunities to dive into this particular workshop and enjoy having more flexibility and comfort into your feet and legs. So if you want to join in on the fun, the link's in here and you can go ahead and get started at your own leisure. You can always go back and redo something else along the way. So lots of great content for you. Enjoy.